Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and it is time to get started on the Audi. We're gonna see how far I can get by myself with replacing this hood today. I'm almost done. I mean, really, the rest of it's just getting stuff back together. Okay. Just want to get it in place, kind of get the nuts on the bolts so that it's, semi-holding. There we go. There we go. Alright. So there we go. I lined it up. Now, I still wasn't quite able to get the gaps right. But you know what? It's pretty close. It's not far off. It's not rubbing anywhere or anything like that. And a lot of body guys and people will tell you that that's part of the downfall of getting aftermarket parts. Alright guys, so there we are, all done. Weather stripping's put in, everything's hooked back up, windshield washer, sprayers, everything's good, everything lines up really well. I actually saved the Audi rings even though they're a little dinged up, but it's better than not having anything there. Yeah guys, there it is. All in, I don't know, about an hour, a little more. And I still have time to eat lunch and relax a little bit before I go to work. So, I mean, even body work, guys. I'll get into some body work videos here soon. Obviously, we'll be doing some paint on this, but don't be afraid to, just wrench it. You got a problem or you see a car that's messed up. I mean, unless the motor's completely blown and you're not mechanically inclined at all, don't worry about trying something. Obviously not on a daily driver, you know what I mean? If you have to do something, then yeah. But, get you an extra car and start tinkering. It's not near as hard as most people think to do some of these repairs. If you take your time, you try, you do a little research into whatever's required, what tools you might need. And, I mean, it's real easy. I got this car for $1,400. I had $300 in parts so far. And, I mean, even though it's a little busted, you ride this thing right now and still be proud that you got an Audi, Pretty nice car, definitely nice on the inside. So, think about it, guys. Don't be afraid to get out there and just wrench it. Alright, I'll see you guys later.